Yond here, Advanced American Nation, Chapter 9 Reflection. The Federalist Era, a lot of the basic updates again, updated all the objective pages, things like that with the chart. Tried to add pictures to the titles. Some are easier than others. Standardized sizing on logos. Updated the vocab page. Updated the vocab page video. Yep, most of them work. Looking at it, we went with the standard quiz. Quiz for 1, assignment for 2, Thanksgiving break. Let's check out this this assignment. Assignments are where the problems happen. Alright, so this is an interesting one. I just graded it the other day. Most people were square on, so they look at this quote and it says, "'Tis our true policy to steer clear of permanent alliances with any portion of the foreign world, so far, as we are now at liberty to do it." So they're supposedly supposed to interpret that. And it seems fairly obvious to me, but I'm a history teacher. Most of the kids did it well. Some of them had their way off interpretations. But as long as they explained and it made some semblance of sense, I think it means this because of this. Okay, full points. That worked fine in the advanced class. They did good. They did good at it. Let's see. We had the break, the discussion. Those are always fun. Let's take a look at how it went. Oh, with political party, Federalist or Democratic or Republican, do you most identify with? This one can cause problems because sometimes students get confused with these political parties and modern political parties, and I'll get the oddball like, oh, I don't like Republicans because this, and it's some modern issue. And you're like, no. There's no Democrats or Republicans, just the Federalists and the Democratic Republicans. But not a problem in this advanced class. Not a real problem. I had a nice example. Some people said neither, but they always backed it up. So, yeah, the advanced class did well with this assignment. They did well with this assignment. And then study guide and review test time. Not any real problems with the advanced class on Chapter 9. Every day when I look through the lesson that's going to be posted the next morning, I'll check the video. And if it's still works, like there's no references to something that happened that day when I made the video, and I got enough huzzah in my, pep in my step, I'll keep the video. Sometimes I remake it though if I haven't made any remade any videos in a couple lessons. I have been adding videos to the review page. That's something I've been doing on every review forum for the whole chapter and all, in every chapter in all my classes. That was one of the 2 things that I saw. Right, every chapter at the very least is going to get updated vocab pages for sure, adding pictures, and I'm always going to make a review video in every class before every test. Something I've been doing so far. Help them out. Give them a little more FaceTime. They always like it. They do better with FaceTime. That's really it for Chapter 9. Fixing grammatical errors, maybe some formatting errors, things like that in every lesson, and sometimes quizzes. Quiz questions are a little wonky. Last year when I would make a mistake, I would hear from the kids, but it wasn't all that often. Usually the kids that worked farthest ahead would always let me know if they found something. This year, every once in a while, I'll get something from a kid, but it's been down, so that's good. I've been trying to fix things as I go through. It's amazing what you let slip that first time, even when you've proofread it and you go back a year later and look at it and you're like, oh, that doesn't make any sense. So God bless the kids from last year that went through when I was making these as fast as I could. That's it. We're moving to the Jefferson era next. Alright, have a good one to yourself, future Nick and Carla.